Have you ever wondered if there's another Earth out there? What if we told you such a planet does exist? This is not a figment of our imagination. It's a reality, a cosmic wonder called Kepler 452b, discovered by NASA's Kepler mission. This celestial body is the first near-Earth-sized planet found in the habitable zone of a sun-like star. What does this mean? Well, the habitable zone is a Goldilocks region around a star. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for water to exist in its liquid form. This makes Kepler 452b a potential candidate for Earth 2.0. We've all dreamed about the existence of another Earth-like planet, a potential new home for humanity, perhaps? The discovery of Kepler 452b makes this dream seem less far-fetched, bringing us one step closer to the reality of a second Earth. Now, let's delve deeper into the characteristics of this mysterious Earth 2.0, Kepler 452b. Kepler 452b, a planet 60% larger than Earth, orbits a G2-type star just like ours. But what makes it so special? Well, let's begin with its size. Kepler 452b is what scientists call a super-Earth-sized planet. It's about 60% larger in diameter than our own home planet. While we don't yet know its exact mass and composition, research suggests that planets the size of Kepler 452b have a good chance of being rocky, much like Earth. Moving on to its orbit. Kepler 452b's orbit is almost identical to Earth's, measuring at 1.05 astronomical units, or AU. For context, 1 AU is the average distance from the Sun to the Earth. So, Kepler 452b is just a smidge further from its star than we are from our Sun. And just like Earth, Kepler 452b has a year, but it's a little longer, taking 385 days to complete a full orbit. Now let's talk about the star that Kepler 452b orbits. Unlike our youthful Sun, at a sprightly 4.5 billion years old, Kepler 452b's star is a venerable 6 billion years old, making it 1.5 billion years older than our Sun. As stars age, they become larger, hotter, and brighter. So, Kepler 452b's star is slightly larger and brighter than our Sun. It's important to note that Kepler 452b resides in the habitable zone of its star. This is the region around a star where temperatures are just right for water to exist in its liquid form. This means there's a chance, just a chance, that Kepler 452b could have liquid water and potentially life. So you see, while Kepler 452b shares many characteristics with Earth, a similar orbit, a G2-type star, and a potentially rocky composition, it is also unique. It's larger, its year is longer, and it's around a star that's older and brighter than our Sun. Despite its many similarities with Earth, Kepler 452b remains a world of its own. Kepler 452b is not just another planet, it holds immense significance for us. But why, you may ask? Well, let's delve into that. Imagine a world that's not just similar to Earth in size, but also potentially habitable. That's Kepler 452b for you. It's not just a planet, it's a super-Earth-sized planet. What does that mean? It's 60% larger in diameter than Earth, making it the smallest planet discovered to date in the habitable zone of a G2-type star, just like our Sun. The habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist. This is crucial because, as we know, water is a key ingredient for life as we understand it. What makes Kepler 452b even more fascinating is its potential to be rocky. Now, we don't know for certain if it is, as its mass and composition are yet to be determined. But previous research suggests that planets of Kepler 452b's size have a high likelihood of being rocky. And a rocky planet in the habitable zone of a star increases the chances of it being potentially habitable. But it's not just the characteristics of Kepler 452b that make it significant. Its discovery also marks a milestone in our cosmic journey. With the confirmation of Kepler 452b, the total number of confirmed planets now stands at 1,030. It's a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and understanding of the universe. Every new planet we discover, like Kepler 452b, adds another piece to the puzzle of our universe. It helps us understand more about the variety and complexity of planetary systems and brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Kepler 452b, our Earth 2.0, may remain a mystery for now, but its discovery opens a new chapter in our quest to find life beyond Earth.